This Sunday, I spent a couple of hours writing a prompt for analyzing opportunities in Salesforce. It took me a few hours because to write a prompt that really does what you want it to can be hard. If you were to say, try and evaluate sales deals or opportunities, that's hard. Right? There is so many variables to think about. What stage the sales is in, what's the opportunity industry, what's the amount, what are the opportunity contacts, am I connected at the right level? Am I doing all the right activities on it? What's the description? What's the nature of the problem that the customer has? What do you offer? So there's a heck of a lot of context that you want to provide to AI, but also there is a lot of process understanding that you need to share with the AI. And the reason I wanted to bring this up is because I was thinking about what kind of people would be able to do really well with prompt engineering and just in the new world of AI. And I think it's that hybrid mindset. You are someone who understands enough of a data model to know how your business data and information is structured. Who do you call a customer? What is a deal? What are the specific nuances of the terms that you use in your business that may map to field 15 on a custom object? So having that business context understanding is important. The other part that's really important is to actually be specific enough in asking AI what you want it to do. Days of Google, when the ability to search was an art, I would actually bet even today it's an art for a lot of people who don't understand how to search effectively. But it's the same idea with prompting. With prompt engineering, you want to be extremely specific with what you want the AI to do, and then you will get really good results. The third part of this is having a little bit of that technical bent of mind where you're not afraid of venturing into trying out prompt engineering, understanding a little bit more of the technology. How does it like to behave? Kind of understand its rituals that you start with the role. You are a sales expert and you are called to analyze opportunities. And here are some grounding rules, right? Like that overall anatomy of a prompt and how to do it effectively, really get good results. And people who practice it enough will learn it well enough. So back to the prompt, the sales deal analysis that I was doing. After a few hours, it actually really gave me excellent results. And the thing that was so cool about that is that I was able to use it with GPT-5 inside our own Salesforce org. So I was trying it out with the real data, real activities that we're logging. And I love how it actually started to look at them. And I love how it actually got really good results in terms of identifying the misses that I had or someone on my team was having in terms of the email they were sending, the follow-ups, the time, the cadence, but also picking up on terms in the email and identifying for us, look, this is a concern for this customer, or this is what you need to do next. And I think in the new world, people who would have a lot of success will be the ones who can bring all of this understanding of AI technology, Salesforce, CRM, GPT-5 type tools, but also have an appreciation for sales processes, for sales methodology, for an understanding of what do you have to do in real world to move the needle? What do you have to do to empathize with your customer, to understand where they are coming from? What are their challenges that are between the lines on emails that are getting exchanged, that are in the lack of response when you're sending the third, fourth, fifth follow-up? So it's those kind of innate understanding that AI does not have, but people like us can bring. I'm very curious to see how this will evolve and what kind of people will actually be at the helm in the next 2, 3, 4 years who will drive and tame the AI beast. Will they be people who come from a sales ops background? Will they be A's? Will they be BDRs? Will they be Salesforce admins? Will they be developers? Or will it be some other version of that T-shaped people who have a broad understanding across the board and then are fairly deep in one specific area? Curious to hear what you think. Thank you so much.